Namaskar, this is Dr. P.S. Sagar. I am an expert in acupuncture and traditional medicine. I am practicing from past 16 years in Second Life Nature Cure Hospital, Banjara Hills, Hyderabad. Today my topic is knee pains, different causes of knee pains, how knee pains occurs, and what kind of treatments are available. And even I'll show you some interesting acupressure points which can give you instant relief. So please be patient, and at the end of this video you can find those valuable pressure points which can give you instant relief without any painkiller. So let me brief you why knee pain occurs and what kind of reasons are there. So let me tell you, this is your knee joint, and in between there will be some lubrication in between the joints. So usually arthritis is a major cause. In arthritis what happens, due to the aging process, the cartilage gets wear and tear. So due to that wear and tear, the two joints will be rubbing with each other and you start getting pain. So there are other causes also. We are seeing not only the aged people, but we are seeing in very, very young people nowadays knee pains. So you could see it is either due to gout arthritis, you can call it as gout arthritis, which is due to slight leakage in your kidney. I can say uric acid. So when uric acid, when your kidney is slightly there is a functional imbalance in your kidney which could cause too much uric acid getting into your joints. So when the uric acid gets collected in your joints, it will damage the cartilage and also start leaching calcium from your joints. So you could find mild osteophytes. It's like a small structures which will be loose bodies will be formed inside your joint. So that will be pricking from the inside, even though the cartilage is completely not damaged. Those loose bodies, that osteophytes, might be got stuck in your joints. So that will be pinning from inside your joint. So when you are walking or when you are climbing steps, you could feel the sense of pricking in your joints, and you could even hear some mild joint sounds also. So one of the reason is gout arthritis, and other reason is rheumatoid arthritis. Rheumatoid arthritis, it's a allergic disorder. It's your immune system targeting your joints and hitting your joints. That might be due to genetic factors or some kind of allergic reaction due to some toxic elements which has entered your body. Your immune system gets triggered and starts damaging your joints. So it's a very, very crippling joint disease. You get too much swelling also in your joints. So this could be everywhere in your body. Any joint could be damaged in your body. So these are the major causes for joint pains usually. So any joint pain, mostly people tend to take painkillers in the starting stage. I could divide knee pain in 4 stages. So let me tell you, in first stage, you get very, very mild pains when you are traveling, or when you are too much exhausted, or too much strained, I can say. So whenever you are overstrained, you might be having mild pains. So that you should consider your body starts indicating that there is some trouble going on inside. So any pain is not normal. Your body is telling you what something is going wrong inside. So when in second stage, when you are walking mildly also, you are getting pains. When you are climbing stairs, you might be noticing some mild pains in your knee joints. So that you should consider as second stage. And in third stage, while you are walking, or mild pressure also will give you some good pains, and swelling also will be there. And in fourth stage, you are unable to do your job. You are unable to walk at all. Mostly you could be bedridden, or you are taking too much support from other aspects. So you can consider these stages. So usually in stage 1 in modern medicine, they will advise you, you will never care about it in stage 1. In stage 2, you will be going to visiting a doctor and start complaining about the knee pains. So he will be advising some painkillers and good rest. So within few days, even the rest could do the job, but you would prefer taking a painkiller. So again in third stage you will be taking more painkillers, and even physiotherapy could be advised, some exercises could be advised. So exercises will release natural painkillers, at the same time painkiller will also help you. But let me clarify you how painkillers are working. I mean, painkillers will not cure your joint problem. It will only cut down the pain signals in your brain. It will only numb, sedate your brain so that you could not get the proper pain signal to your brain. So that is just like, I mean, your house is burning and you are just closing your eyes. So this is not the way of treating. And in after, I mean, due to the painkiller side effects, your kidney gets more damaged and your intestines get more damaged, your body gets too acidic. So the damage will be rapid. You're getting temporary sense of relief, but the damage slowly getting too much rapid. And in fourth stage you will be advised for knee joint replacement. So let me tell you, even the surgery is the higher level of management. You're not correcting the functional disorder which is going on inside. You're not controlling the degeneration process. You're just trying to manage in all levels. So even in the fourth stage you could see the joint will be replaced, and you will find within few months even the other joint gets damaged, and even that they will advise you to replace. Within 1 or 2, 3 years again, due to the functional disorder, the degeneration process which is already happening inside, again your joints will be damaged. So success rate is also low. I mean, most of the cases I have seen after surgery, they have too many complications, too many problems. You are, I mean, patient for life for them. So in acupuncture and traditional medicine, I would advise you in second stage, third stage, if you wake up early, I mean, you could prevent further damage, you can regenerate also. And even in fourth stage, I can say in the starting stages, I can say you can regenerate. So basically in acupuncture and traditional medicine, we advise you stem cell therapy also in combination in third, fourth stages, because you need to regenerate the cartilage. So I mean, as I told you, there are different forms. So according to the functional disease, according to the root cause, it may be due to the autoimmune disorder, we have complete cure. We can control the entire immune system with immunotherapy combination with acupuncture and traditional therapies, so that the further damage can be stopped, and again you will be put on the regenerative treatment. If you are suffering from gout arthritis due to excess uric acid from your kidney, we will correct the functional disease of the kidney so that further damage can be stopped, and you will be put on the regenerative treatment. If you are having arthritis of aging process, even at the age of 87 in Second Life Nature Cure Hospital, we have treated a patient at the age of 87, and she is able to walk, and she is going to park for regular walking, and she is without, I mean, she was I mean, in that age even a doctor cannot advise surgery. She was not even interested for surgeries. So even at the age of 87 we could regenerate, and I mean, more than 2 years she is happily doing her regular exercise routines and all. So this clearly indicates, I mean, with acupuncture and regenerative medicine, at any stage, whatever might be the cause, we will correct the further degeneration process and will regenerate. For regeneration of joints, I mean, at any stage, at any age, it will be around 4 to 6 months. If you have too much problem in fourth stage or fifth stage, we'll advise you to take bed rest, and will be advised to take a regular acupuncture and stem cell therapy, and every month you could see 20 to 25% change. In early stage, second stage, third stage, within 1 or 2 months you can completely rectify the problem and prevent further damage also. So I hope you understood what's the best treatment for knee joints, and I would like to give you some pressure points also who might be suffering, who are taking painkillers regularly. I will show you some basic acupressure points which can give you instant relief. I can say within seconds you will find the change. So I mean, instead of taking plenty of painkillers, at this present moment I would advise you to take acupressure, self acupressure points, and that will help you so that you can avoid painkillers. And this is not the solution, this is only a management process. But I would advise you to visit Second Life Nature Cure Hospital, or you could even have online consultation if you are out of country. We could tell you, we could correct your diet, lifestyle, we could identify the root behind the existing issues, whatever necessity test we will recommend you. and you can even take treatments from your nearest center wherever possible. So definitely I hope you would like to take advantage of these treatments, beautiful treatments and expertise. And I will show you the pressure points. See, you could just notice, this is my left hand. I am flexing my two fingers. This is my middle finger and this is my ring finger. So if you are having joint pains of your right knee, I can say you have to first locate, you have to tick the entire joint like this with the sketch pen. You have to mark, and this is your ring finger. You could mark like this. So imagine that this is your right leg, this is your left leg, these are your knee joints, this is your left knee joint. So if you are having pain in your right knee joint, you have to take the middle finger of your left hand and you have to press with this thumb flexed. So this thumb finger I have flexed like this. With this bone I am trying to give the pressure point. So you can give acupressure to this entire area. In some areas you find too much pain. That's the main reflex point of your knee and your present condition. So you have to be a little cautious. You have to give mild stimulation to that specific point, and you will be noticing while you walk, you are instantly relieved from pain. In the same fashion, this is your left leg. If you are having in the left joint, so this is supposed to be the knee joint's reflex point. So you have to stimulate in the same manner gradually. You have to apply pressure. You have to check where is the actual point. Wherever you are finding too much pain, that's the best reflex point for your knee joint. So that point should be carefully, slowly given pressure, and you could give pressure up to at least 1 minute to 3 minutes. You can apply the same pressure, and you can check again. You can check and walk. You can see instantly that pain will be vanished. I can say almost 80-90% cases it will give you relief instantly. And where you are not finding result, you could do it, repeat it number of times. I can say at least 2 to 3 times you can repeat per day. So I hope you understood the concept. You can without any pressure, without any painkiller, you can instantly relieve your pain, as well as the knowledge which I have shared with you. You could share to your near and dear friends who are suffering from knee joint pains or rheumatoid arthritis or gout arthritis. Let them get aware that there is a complete solution. Instead of just managing in all levels, you could get cure actually. So whatever patients we have treated, they have not been repeated from years, and we are in regular touch with them. We got too many clients from them. Hope even you could benefit out of it, and I hope you get good results. Thank you, Dr. Sagar.